So, guys, it's Copper around today. Sorry, I was just making sure that someone wasn't coming downstairs. I think they might be. Hold on. Actually, where's the mute button? Oh well. For God's sake. Okay, someone is coming down, but hopefully it isn't Father, because then he would ruin the videos that I am about to. Oh, this is ranked actually. Never mind. Alright, that's better. We're here. The controller doesn't need to be charged. No, it doesn't. My phone does, so. Alright, it's charging now. So where are we gonna land actually? That's a big problem. I never know where I'm gonna go. Maybe Mom's Spaghetti actually. Or Spaghetti Grotto. Cause like I want Eminem's minigun. Oh wait, we're in the bus. For some reason the Xbox is being really loud. It's really annoying. I don't even know who has the minigun. I'm also gonna take the helicopter. I always find out how to fly helicopters and planes, but then the next minute I forget. And then like next time they're in the game I don't know how to do it, so I have to learn again. No one ever told me. I just try everything. Really? I'm forced to deploy my umbrella. Why am I using this default umbrella? Usually I use a better one. I'm sure that's bad for the environment, that mountain riding. Probably is. Pretty decent shotgun. I'm not very good with non-automatic shotguns. Is that a rift? Why is there a rift there? Pew. 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 Just 4 damage, really. That's crazy. Bro is insane with his aim. I did 50 damage the first hit on him. Not 4. Ah, sure, I may as well just take that. Pew. There's this monkey. The monkey who can't even use jujitsu. I'm gonna heal. Mom's Spaghetti I'm not very familiar with, so I'm not being very good. Can I change my skin in here or something? Oh my god! I'm a ghost. It's so cool. That is so cool. Tactical shotgun? Oh my god. Is that Eminem? What are you up to? What's on your mind? Chainsaw Spaghetti. Alright, well. Yeah. Ah ha 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 ha. I was never. Oh, never mind. The way it killed me in 2 seconds makes me want it more. I know I have had it before. I've made a video on having that in the helicopter. The helicopter was nice and pink and gay and everything. I want it again though. And last time I just kind of stole it off someone. Like someone had it and then immediately died. I just ran in, took it, and left with the helicopter. This time I want to earn it. Okay, the worst drop I've ever gotten. 500 meters away. With a car. Well, now we can get other loot. Apart from just what's there. So that's not the worst thing that could happen. It's a pretty bad thing that could happen. Not the worst. These clusters? No, just clingers, I think. Me personally, I'd say that the last OG, like OG Chapter 1, is much better than this. Well, now, because that's kind of OG, a whole chapter ago. Perhaps I'm just saying that because I miss the old things. So if I just kind of go down there with my car, I won't take any fall damage. My car will, it might explode, but I won't necessarily take damage. That doesn't break. It doesn't break to my car. Alright, never mind. I have another idea though. The bro got so scared. I think we got a slightly better drop that time. This time, I mean. It's over there. I don't think I have been there. Okay. A rift always helps, I guess. There's so many rifts. What's that? Is that like a fan? I think it is. Just get the floor loot here. You can't get me when I'm in the crate, little man. How do you have such good aim? Oh. You just jumped. Oh my god! What the skibbity is, guys? We just got like a minigun. Like, we don't even need Eminem's minigun anymore. I'm gonna get it, but we don't need it. This gun is so bad. I'm gonna keep it though. Unless this guy gives better. No, okay. Okay, so the boxes aren't very good.
If you think I'm not scary, you haven't met me yet.
Sorry. Sorry. No! Right, this time I decided to go to this new place that I haven't been to. The only place on the map. And it's like pretty far away from... No, I just forgot that I was playing Fortnite. So I stayed in the air. I stayed in the battle bus. let's just. Oh, the quest is there.